Hey friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Lindsay from Treehouse Schoolhouse, and I'm here with my son,
Titus.
We're gonna do a really pretty little hand rhyme, and if you are a boy and you don't want to curtsy, watch Titus, and he'll give you a clue on what else you can do. Here we go. Sunflower, sunflower, yellow and round. You are the prettiest flower. Oh, like this. You are the prettiest flower I have ever found. Tall and straight and full of grace. I love the light in your bright yellow face. I love the light in your bright yellow face. And that is from Treehouse Nature Study Summer Flowers Week, which happens to be week 9.
Don't forget to like and subscribe below.
See you next time.
Goodbye.